I will show everything on instance. How we will create the sequence. We have to follow this. First, we have to create the value sets. And, we have to give one name to the chart of account structure, and then we have to create segments. And
Mhm.
the segments and the value sets we have to assign. So this way we can value sets, and then after that, segment labels we have to give to the segments. Um, Segment labels also I will explain. I said these are all segments, right? Future one, future two, company department. For each segment, there will be a segment label. For company, the primary balance in segment value, and department, cost center, account, natural account, intercompany segment label. These are the labels we have to assign to segments. Okay. So this
Okay.
step is assigning segment labels to segments. Each one is having a definite meaning for this. Company actually primary balance means debit and credit should be same. So this is the instance. After
Hmm.
login, this is the first page, and this is the navigation bar
Hmm.
where we are able to see all these things. Uh, for us, we got this right. In this, there is no security console. See,
Oh, right.
if
Yeah, I
the
didn't
security
check.
console is there, then we can add some roles. We
Create
can
a new.
create users. Otherwise, without not create. Click on setup and maintenance. This
Mm-hmm. Hmm.
icon is there, right? In that setup maintenance,
Hmm.
this is the FSM page. After clicking on
Hmm.
setup and maintenance, you will get into FSM page. In
Hmm.
this taskbar,
Hmm. Manage implementation
on
project.
the
Okay.
manage implementation project,
Hmm.
here we can create. Here we have to give the details. I am treating as a radical tech one. Okay.
Okay.
User, my user ID I am giving. Start date, finish date, no need to give. Next.
Your user is giving me. I didn't understand that. I mean, the user ID we have to select.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
System automatically selects. We can change it also.
Okay. Can we, assign the same project to multiple user? No, I mean to. I mean, can we add instead of changing?
No, only one person now. Afterwards, inside we can change it. Each module we can change it.
Okay.
Whatever the modules we require, we can select from. Whatever the requirements, we can select from here. Okay.
Okay.
The same user, you can also log in now, and you can also do one more implementation project. You can create. No problem. It will help us. Save and open project.
Mm-hmm.
See here, select offerings to implementation.
Okay.
For the options and offerings are there, we are giving the implementation process.
Okay.
From there, we can do the steps. We can create value sets, everything from here we can create.
Okay.
And is here, go to task is there. On go to task,
Mm-hmm.
you have to click.
If you want to create a value set, we can go to the navigation and select the GL. I mean, if we go to we can go to the setup and maintenance. And we can select this task from there also, right? Or
Yes,
this
yes,
is
possible.
okay.
There, that's also possible. From there also, it will be available. Already, I created just now implement. Three options are there. I already so there are three options to search setups in the Oracle. One is the global search. In the taskbar, it is there in the open the taskbar right in the FSM page. Clicked on the taskbar. In that implementation project, we have seen that. In that under there is a search option. That is a global search. And
Yeah.
FSM page in the FSM page there is search option is there. That is one. Another one, last third one is implementation project.
Which
And we went inside the implementation project. There we searched for the manage value sets. So there are three
okay.
areas we can search for setups. Okay. So first we will create the value sets. Fine. So manage value sets. Okay.
Hmm.
To create.
Okay.
Actually, there is no need of in practical scenarios, no need of creating as one company is enough. But actually, there are so many. It's a test version, so everyone is using this. So we are
Okay.
giving it a radical one company. Okay,
Got it.
everything will be like that. It's easy to identify. And this company, everything we are doing in which module? GL. So we have to select GL. General ledger. Okay.
Yeah.
We are selecting the general ledger and
Yeah.
validation type we are taking as independent. Okay, we will explain afterwards, but mostly we are
Okay.
taking for every segments value sets we are taking an independent. And then value data type number is the date and time, but character we are used to take because client if the company is having different name and number also sometimes they were asked. So character we are selecting. Okay. And
Okay.
security enable, I will explain later. This is also different scenarios. These two we will use in later part during the transaction time. I will explain. Value subtype
Okay.
text. Okay. We are using text.
Okay.
And the maximum length. Length means so based on 1,000 means how many characters? Four digits. The maximum length is four.
Yeah.
Like that, we have to
Okay.
keep the length. If you are selecting four means four.
Okay.
This will be accepted.
Yeah. Four numbers can be used.
Yeah, like four, 1,000, 2,000. And minimum length and maximum length also will be option is there. Like means if you want to keep it from 1,000 to 3,000, then we can give minimum and maximum. For that purpose, it is useful. And uppercase only means the company things will be there, right? Those will be shown in uppercase only. And zero fill is there, right? Zero fill means, for example, uh, we have taken maximum length as 4, right? If
Uh-huh.
we are giving 1, if the while 1 digit you have taken, then system will automatically keep the 0 before that, and it will take as in 0, 0, 0, 1.
One. Okay.
That is the
Got it.
use
Got it.
of zero fill.
Got it. Yeah.
But usually, zero fill in the case of accounts, sometimes some clients will ask us to use that because they will take it from 1 onwards. If it, but they want 4 digits. Length should be 4, but from 1 they want to start. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, like that, it will keep on going. For that purpose, zero fill is there.
Okay.
Uppercase is this. Here, this is the use, and minimum value and maximum value for the length, and maximum length is the
Okay.
number of digits and text. Okay.
Okay.
So we are creating a we created a one value set for the
Yep.
company value set. Okay.
Yep.
Company value set we have created. Okay.
Okay.
We are saving, save and close. Okay.
Hmm.
Like that, we have to create for all the value sets. For department, for everything, we have to create it now. Module general ledger, validation type independent, value data type character, value subtype text. We can keep anything. If it is three length is okay. Otherwise, we can keep it an equal for everyone, uppercase only. Again, one more. Next account we will create. Account value set. Independent. Character. Text. Uppercase only.
Okay. What does this intercompany value set mean?
Intercompany means, for example, I said radical technical consultancy, radical services. If they are having two companies under the
Hmm.
one group,
Mm-hmm.
there is any transaction between them, we will treat as another company. Okay. So,
Suppose we have one company and they have a different branches, suppose in a different countries,
ah,
and any
any
any.
transactions happens between these two companies, then they will call it as an intercompany transactions. For that purpose, we have to choose this segment. Then for
Okay.
accounting, for reporting purpose, what are the transactions happen between the two companies, intercompany transactions, we have to report it. For that purpose, we are using this segment.
Okay.
Text. And one more thing, intercompany, uh, definitely we have to give the maximum length same. Even if you for a department or accounts, you can give the different maximum length. But
Mm-hmm.
for intercompany, you have to give the same maximum length, because whatever the companies we are creating, same will be available in intercompany.
Okay.
So based on the logic only, we have to same length we have to maintain. But for accounts and department, we can uh, as per the client requirement, we can give it as three or two. That's not problem. Okay.
Okay.
Now project. Now future one.
Usually there are only five. I mean, first three segments are business unit, cost center, account, future, and future two, right? Or we have any other?
Project.
Is there?
Yeah, I have created.
No, no. I'm just asking. Do we use the project also? Because I have seen in where we are working on a project. So
Yes.
they use the segment like first is business unit. Second, I think some cost center. Third is accounts, and fourth is future, and fifth is future too, something like that. I need to check whether project is there or not. I'll check on
Project
this.
actually, if it is they are maintaining PPM model separately, there is no require of project segment because every project activities will be tracking
I think
the
we do
PPM model.
separately. Yeah,
Otherwise,
here system
it
is
will,
maintained separately.
maintenance is not a problem. That's a because it's there for report purpose only. We are making a these things only.
Okay. Future.
See, whatever we created, it will be reflected here. Radical account,
Yeah.
company, department, future one, future two, and the company project.
Yeah.
If you want to edit anything, you can click here and we can do edit. So first step we completed. Now you will to understand, right? Everything.
Yeah. I have a question.
Yes.
So here you will explain everything, right? I mean, I do hear some words which I don't get while in a meeting or something. So I suppose a person is working on a GL model, and sometimes I hear that we are working on a cost center changes. We are working on a when I got added today, I got added in a cost center changes meeting. They were saying so many things like parent value. This is parent value. This is child value. This is a so, under which thing those are get included? I mean, where we do that in GL only?
Ah, yes, yes. Different.
Yeah, cost center changes meeting was there. So they were saying
Okay.
that we have to add the parent value, child value. We have to change
Okay.
the name and all. So maybe
Everything
the
will
change.
cover the GL only.
Okay, okay. That will also cover, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So we have created value sets. This step, everything is clear, right, for you?
Yes, this I understood how to create the value sets.
That's okay, fine.
Yeah.
So if you want to make any changes also, we can do it from here only. Okay.
Yes.
Code we cannot change. Okay. See, you can observe this. The code we cannot change, but we can change the description. The
Yeah,
code is
description,
able.
module, maximum length,
These
that
things
all.
we can change. Okay.
Yeah.
So before saving, the code is check from our side, from the client. Okay, we have
Okay.
to follow the client instructions properly.
Okay.
So now next step is we have to create the chart of account structure name. Okay,
Okay.
so here the chart of account structure, chart of account structure instance. So first of all, we have to create the chart of account structures. Okay,
Manage chart of account structure. Okay.
so module
Hmm.
ledger we have to set it. Based on the search, we got the general ledger application. In this, key accounting flex feeds are there. Right? Now, so first of all, we will go with the manage structures. Okay.
Okay.
In this, we can create.
What is said in delimiter?
Okay.
Mm, what you said for delimiter?
Delimiter means separator,
Okay.
like a
Okay.
separator.
Okay.
If you are doing, we will know that. The screenshots also. Uh,
Okay.
yeah. Uh, this is the sequences. Create value sets. Next, structure name we are creating and create segment. These two steps will be done at a time. Okay.
Okay.
We went into manage chart of account structure,
Hmm.
searched for general ledger, manage
Hmm.
structures we went inside, and then
Hmm.
create option we clicked. So we will
Right.
create chart of account structure name we will give and under segments we will give.
Okay. Down here we have a segments, and in these segments we are creating. Got it. Got it.
Correct. After I'm giving the names right, we will save
Hmm.
it. Then we will get this.
Okay.
So
Enabled. Okay.
um, so I just for that purpose I showed that. Okay. So same name I will use it. Okay. What is there? We can also use that text. It also shows there according. Okay.
Okay.
So we can copy the same code and we can keep it as here. It is not required, but we can keep it as same. So during your course, right? You have used your course, right? Company, department, these codes you have used, right? In the middle of the company 001 and 000. For that, there is a one space, right?
Sir.
In that separator, we can
Yeah.
use
Got you
what
mean.
which separator you want. For that purpose, we are using this delimiter. Okay,
Got it. Yeah. Understood.
whichever you want, you can use it. Usually, we use this one. Somebody uses this also based on the client requirement. And
Okay. Okay.
now it is done. That's no problem. See, previously there is no plus button create option is there. Now
Hmm.
we got the create option. Okay,
Yeah.
you're able to see observe that. So after saving only, we got this
Yeah.
segments creation option. Okay,
Yes.
so now we will create the segments. I already said about labels, right? Segment labels here.
Hmm.
Labels are there. We will, while creating segments, segment labels also we will attach. Okay.
Okay.
So almost 3 to 4 steps will be covered in a single path only. Okay.
Okay.
So now We are creating one by one segments carefully. Okay. Each and everything I'll explain. Just listen properly. So within the chart of account structure, we are creating segments. Okay. No need to keep any company name itself, because we creating the segments in our chart of account structure. So it will not affect same. It cannot be same for everyone. So we already created one chart of account structure. In that name, we are creating segments. So we can create a directly company. That's it. No need of radical company, not required, because bifurcation is not required here, because we are creating inside the chart of account structure. So API name, it will be taken from the directly, it will system will take. It will be for the custom reports. If we are going to create any customized reports, then it will connect to the Fusion application. For that purpose, API name will be useful for the technical peoples. For mapping purpose, it will be used for mapping purpose. Okay, we no need to touch. API name is for integration purpose, for mapping purpose, it will be used for the name will be useful. For that purpose only it is coming. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Give it as the same. Okay, company, same thing you can give it. Description also we can give it same. Sequence. So what is the sequence? Like you have seen the code combination, right? Which one should come first? Which one should come second? That is a sequence. Like company should come first, next cost center, next future one, future like that. There is a sequence, right? For that purpose, which segment comes first? Sequence number one. If you give company as a sequence number one, then it will comes first. If you give the department as a sequence number two, then department code combination department will comes under second place in code combination. That is the use of sequence number. Okay.
Okay.
Prompt means display name, just display. So it will how it will be visible when we are recording the transaction. For that purpose, this prompt will be useful. Okay. Short prompt also will same, like short name. We can give it as a full name or a short name. Okay. That's it.
Okay.
3 to 4 characters is enough. And we for this segment we are creating field is important, right? Display width. So maximum we can give it as 20. Uh, Based on the character size, we have to give this 20 character space we can give it. Okay.
Okay.
Normally,
Including.
how many segments we can create actually? Maximum 30 segments we can create. Okay. Minimum 2 segments is required. You have to remember. Okay.
Under one chart of account, we can create
Uh,
maximum.
Minimum 2 segments is required. Okay.
Okay.
I will show I said in the previously, right? Yesterday class. So column name, we will see how many segments are there. It shows how total how many segments. See, total 30 segments we can create. Okay. That is the maximum length segment we can create. Okay.
Got it. Yeah.
So we are selecting segment one. That means which one is what, like sequence number, we have to treat it as a segment one, column
Yeah.
one is first. Okay.
Hmm.
So default value set code means what we have created the value sets is right, that we are interlinking the segment with value set. Now see what we have created. That's why for that purpose we need this proper radical. See, radical company. For company we are
Compound.
attaching the
Segment
company
one.
value set. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
For that purpose only we have created a proper naming version. And now segment labels. So in this step, we are creating segment chart of account structure name, and also we have created the segments, and we have assigned the segments to the value set, and then we are giving the segment labels also. Okay,
Okay.
all these covers under here, all in this step, only one step, primary balancing segment. See,
Okay.
so primary balancing segment label will be connected to this company segment. So all these
Okay.
steps we are creating here. So primary balancing segment is a selected label. See, available labels, and this is the selected label. For this
Okay.
company segment, what is the selected? Primary balancing segment is the selected.
Okay.
And if you are assigning primary balancing segment, any segment, if you are selecting to one segment, segment label, if you are selecting to one segment, then we cannot give the same segment label to the another segment. Okay, it will throw error message definitely. So we have to be careful. Whatever we are giving segment labels, we have to note it down. Company and the primary balancing segment level, like that we have to save it. Okay, one segment label, 1 to 1.
Okay.
It is clear, right? Now we can save and close. So now we have created one segment. See, sequence one,
Yes.
given sequence one, and then company segment 4, and the column name is segment 1.
Yeah.
So here this one, right? Now again, next segment we are creating for now description will be the same. Okay, so sequence number, previously what have given 1, now 2. Okay, we cannot give same for everyone, everything. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Hmm.
So and the sequence number also we should not give gap also. Sequence should be, sequence means it will be 1 2 3 like that we have to give it. Okay,
Okay. Segment.
segment 1 already completed, it will not show us. So see, segment 2 only, from segment 2 onwards it is able to show us. Okay, column name.
Yes. Yeah. Radical depart.
Okay, understood, right? Department, for the
Yes.
department segment code segment, we are giving segment department value set, we are
Hmm.
assigning. So
Yes.
now for department cost center is the segment label. We are selecting that, we are adding. Okay,
Okay.
you're right.
Yeah.
Now I am saving and close. Okay,
Yeah.
3 1 and 2, this is the sequence. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah. Can I create those remaining those?
yeah, fine, better,
Yeah.
9 o'clock, right?
Got. And but I have a question.
Yes,
What
yes.
segment level should I select for the remaining one?
What?
What segment labels? What should I select?
Yeah, I already given here in the Excel sheet. I'm sharing you.
Oh,
Here I am
okay.
giving these things. For these
Company,
things,
natural account, for account, intercompany, it is intercompany label, and then project.
not required. Future 1, future 2 also not required. Finish.
Oh, got it. So I'll create those remaining.
Yeah. Okay, fine. I'll share this Excel sheet with you.
Yeah, please.
Hmm. Do you have any other doubts?
No, sir.
Hmm.
It was
Fine. We can close today.
good. Yeah, sure.
Almost we have covered all these steps here. Value sets we created and structure name we have created. Segments we created. We
Okay.
assigned the value sets to segments and segment labels also we assigned. And
Correct.
till here we have completed. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we are structure instance is a single step. It will be clear. And deploy is also one step. Then we will cover tomorrow. And once again, I will explain all these steps. Based on these steps only, chart of account structure will be clear and it will be useful for our transaction purpose. Okay.
Right. Yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.